Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Audi of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2019 Audi S4. This thing is absolutely awesome. I love it. I did not expect to like it nearly as much as I do. And this spec is absolutely amazing. This is the spec I would order one in right here. And just look at these seats. All right, nice and cold out today. Quantum Gray over Magma Red. Premium Plus S Sport Pack. So Sport Adaptive Suspension, Sport Rear Diff, red brake calipers, black optic pack. Dynamic steering, the upgraded Napa leather interior, Bang & Olufsen sound, carbon Atlas inlays. Right. Sticker price when new, $63,245. All right. Oh, it's time to drive this thing. You can obviously change your view, but I like that. So, let's go for a drive. Man, I'm impressed. It's just such a fun car. I always said that Audi was my least favorite, but after of the big German 3, after today, I swear that ranking has changed. Because this is a car I would genuinely consider taking home with me. And I'm not just saying that. This is gonna make me go on the configurator for an S5 Grand Coupe and really consider ordering one. Yes, my Hellcat has way more power than this. Yes, Hellcat has more of a stigma attached to it, like that, oh, you own a Hellcat? Oh, that's cool. At the end of the day, I genuinely don't care right now. See how that sport rear differential performs. Well, very well. This thing is sick. I'm not even exaggerating right now. This is just cool. I love this thing. Oh man, S4. Yep. It's good. It's really good. I don't think I've driven a car today that I wasn't impressed with. So, thank you, Audi of Nashua. This was a fun day. This is a really fun day. And I can't wait until it warms up so we can take out some really fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.